the new master suite has transformed into a beautiful and functional space. The original master suite had separate his and hers bathrooms and closets. And although we all love the idea of having our own space, the closets were just too small. So what we've done is we took the his suite and it became the new master closet, the her suite, the new master bathroom. So let's go take a look at the bathroom first. The original master bathroom entry used to be located over here, but we relocated it so that the entry was a little bit more inviting into the space. We used all pocket doors in this bathroom. Pocket doors can have a really bad name because the builder grade tracks were really flimsy and cheap. We always use high quality tracks. They glide really smoothly and they're very functional to use. Especially with a bathroom like this where the space is a little bit more unconventional, it keeps doors from consistently swinging into one another. Look at how interesting this vanity space is. We wanted to utilize this corner, but didn't want it to look really harsh or too angular. So we created this beautiful curved makeup area for the client. It utilizes the corner, but keeps it looking soft. And then there's the master shower. Look how bright and beautiful this is. Now I know what you're probably thinking. There's a huge window in that shower. The great thing about this is it has a built-in retractable shade. So when you're taking a shower, you have the privacy of the shade. When you're not, you can raise it up and you get the beautiful view and the natural light in the bathroom. Pretty neat trick, huh? Here we are in the new master closet. What a transformation. It has plenty of shoe, hanging, and armoire storage with shelf and drawers for everything in between. What's really unique about this closet is the mirror on the back side of the entry door. It's a great way to integrate a mirror into the space without taking up any wall room. Another great addition to this closet is the transom window above. The transom window above was also added during the renovation process. It was installed merely for the purpose of carrying natural light from the office on the other side into the master closet. In this new master suite, we were able to repurpose most of the floor plan to create a really dramatic change.